All right, here we go again.
Oh.
My brother-in-law. On the whole, what we cooking today?
Look at uhu and poke.
Uhu and poke. All right.
All kind.
See you guys in the kitchen. All kind stuffs. Let's roll.
Rolling.
Rolling. All right. Ready. Good job, Master Chef and brother-in-law, award-winning chef. Rolling in. Ready. All right, aloha everyone. Welcome to the Typical Hawaiian Cooking Show with myself, Kikoman here, and my special guest again, my brother-in-law, award-winning chef. And today we are making some poke and stuffed uhu. All right, so what we got here?
All right, so making the mayonnaise base for our baked uhu or stuffed uhu. So we're gonna start with a little bit of mayonnaise, a little bit of minolak, add oyster sauce, a tablespoon, and garlic. Okay, this is gonna kind of base our fish.
All right, so for our next step here, we're gonna be prepping our uhu for, this beauty right here, stuffed uhu.
All right, so what we're gonna do is make some slits in this big guy. Help with the cooking. Also help penetrate with the seasoning. We'll do this to both sides. Now comes the messy part. So this is our mayonnaise mixture. Mayonnaise, oyster sauce, garlic, black pepper.
All right.
Just gonna do this guy a nice
Pat down?
pat down. Some mayonnaise, bro.
Mayonnaise.
Yep.
Paint them down. Lomi.
Yeah. I'm gonna do both sides. Okay?
The secret sauce right there. That's gonna
The
make this burger. Oh no!
Yep.
All right, she
This is
is a
basically
beauty.
your seasoning right here. Okay. So everything is already in this sauce.
Stuffed uhu, everybody.
Put some of the stuffing. So we got here is onions, tomatoes. You can use any type of tomatoes, and lapchang. I like lapchang. Some guys put Portuguese sausage, and then we got some ginger here. Okay. So. All over the fish. Put some on the bottom of this fish.
That's everything that's gonna give us the flavor, right?
Yep.
The
So
flavor that we're looking for.
the fat from this sausage is gonna render out.
Ooh.
Get into that flesh of the fish. So this is where the stuffing comes in.
Stuffing.
Put some ginger.
All kind of good stuff.
I mean, I love lapchang, bro. You can just eat lapchang with rice
All day.
all day. Every day, quarantine. Shelter in place. And you want to do this in foil, so we're gonna wrap it. And what I do is it'll steam this fish as well. And then we
All right. Keep all the flavor inside.
put the flavor
Basically,
inside.
yeah. Okay. More flavor, more better.
Better.
Cooking typical Hawaiian style right here.
Okay.
The Kikoman, myself, and my special guest, award-winning chef Jonathan Souza.
And then wrap this bad boy up like it's Christmas.
Right.
Crimp the edges. You have a big piece of foil. Good. You gotta use two. What you want to do is so that this cooks, kind of steams in here. Okay. Use a large pan. Also preheated this oven to 350 degrees.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
You got that. I got you. All right, we going in, baby.
See you later. And that's gonna bake depending on the size of your fish. This fish might take, let's say 45 to an hour on this fish because it's pretty big. You can open it up, check it, make sure the flesh is opaque and not translucent. That's how you know your fish.
All right, how's our uhu? We're gonna go check on our uhu. Oh, that baga smells ono already from here. I wish you guys could smell. Maybe you guys can come join us on the show one day. Bring some goods. One kumu would be nice. Next, yeah. Veke ula. We take one of those. Anyway, let's go check on our uhu over here.
Okay, guys.
See what we got.
This 5-pound uhu has been in there about 45 minutes. It's a little bit of the moisture.
Oh, the baga juicing out. I think she ready. What? She ready. She ready. When she opens, she ready. She go. She go. Cooking typical Hawaiian style. My brother-in-law over here, award-winning chef. Our stuffed uhu. Uhu. Wonder the name of uhu, huh?
That's what you say when you open them like that.
Ooh. She ready.
Alright, we're gonna just finish it up.
She ready. She ready. She go. Smell them. Oh, good timing, my brother.
Yeah, you.
Cooking typical Hawaiian style. Timing is everything. And of course, the secret sauce. The stuffed uhu.
Now comes the good part. We're gonna have to taste this bad boy.
Okay, we'll have to taste it, of course. Looks is everything, but the taste will never lie.
It's a beautiful white flesh right there.
She is quite a beauty.
Yeah.
She is quite a beauty. Shells.
Right, bro. Try.
Okay, you try. Oh, Mahashi, Hashi ready. Okay. But any part, add a little bit of.
Just try to get everything in one bite. Might be a little bit hot. Try some fingers.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Mmm. It is ono. I must say. The flavor is spread out evenly too.
You get good balance.
Good balance.
And the fish, see, this is why everybody look for this fish. Everybody wants a uhu because see that flesh right there, nice white flesh, flakes, big flakes, nice and moist.
Yeah.
Pretty hard to overcook this thing. Yeah, man. That's grinds right there.
That's grains. Typical Hawaiian style grains. That is ono. Cooked to perfection right here. Cooking typical Hawaiian style.
Oh, we're cooking.
Alright.
Yes, we're cooking.
Stuffed uhu.
Oh, we're cooking.
Ooh, I'm gonna make some
Yes,
more.
we're cooking. On no grinds. Oh, we're cooking. Yes, we're cooking. Oh, we're
Oh, bruh.
typical Hawaiian style.
Oh, bruh. It's
What do you
really
taste?
good.
Taste a little bit of everything. The ginger,
Ginger.
oyster sauce, the mayonnaise gives it that.
On no grinds.
Bruh.
Yes, we're
Onions and tomatoes.
Wait now. I haven't had uhu in a while too, but
Yes, we're cooking. Typical Hawaiian style.
yeah. Well, maybe not big.
Oh, we're cooking.
All right.
Typical Hawaiian style.
Cooking typical Hawaiian style with your man Kikoman right here. Top it all off with the Kikoman show
Yes,
you.
we're cooking. Typical Hawaiian style.
Shoot.
Oh, we're cooking.
All right. Thank you for joining us.
us.
Stay tuned to the next one.
Cooking. Typical Hawaiian style.